Got a 2014 Mazda 3 service light reset, so the car turned on. Now you see this spanner in the dash indicating the service reset is due. So the way you do this, you can do it with ignition on a car on, doesn't really matter. Well, it's done through the navigation here. You scroll through the settings using this, so you twist to the side to go to applications. Twist to this side, maintenance, press in to pick what you need done, scroll to reset, and it automatically sets it to 6 months or 10,000. Tire rotation has 4,000 to go, so might as well reset that too. And oil change has 4,000 to go, set that too. So now when you exit this setting, start the car, the spanner has now gone away. Thanks for viewing.